I made 9 gallons of organic poison ivy, pet friendly, kid friendly. I brought home some used water gallons from work, and I found this mix online, by the way. Home Depot, credit goes to Home Depot. But you use 1 cup of salt and about a tablespoon or 2 of vinegar. I bought the bulk version of vinegar. I can link that down below. I got it from Amazon, but you can also get it from the grocery store. And then a tablespoon or 2 of dish soap. Again, I got the bulk version because I knew I'd be doing a ton of these. And then, of course, a gallon of water. This is a little bit less than a gallon of water because I had to fit it in. And just mix it up. And we have a lot of poison ivy in our yard. It has spread over from our neighbor's yard that's not really maintained, along with that huge tree that has been problematic for us, causing damage. I have had some very severe reactions to the poison ivy in the past, over the past year and a half, including some pretty bad blisters. I've tried to uproot it, but it grows back and everything. So I'm just spraying it excessively. In my experience, you need several gallons of this mix in order to kill off the poison ivy, and you have to do it throughout the summer. Of course, this is fall, but I'm hoping to just kill it off for the most part, I hope, and then tackle it again in the spring. So we got 9 gallons, and I mixed together to kill all the poison ivy. Do you think it will? What do you think? Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.